Greetings, everyone. This is Suzanne Turney from the Lupus Foundation of America's Greater Ohio Chapter. Just wanted to chime in and bring you up to speed on a couple things that are going on here that we're real excited about. First of all, we had our National Advocacy Summit last month, and boy, was that great. And for all those of you that chimed in, that gave those little taps to our legislators, we're really grateful. Especially a shout out to some of our constituents that actually did meetings with our legislators. And we had big asks, of course. And, you know, we're going after $12 million for a lupus national registry. We've asked for $15 million for the Department of Defense. And these are, you know, asks that we've been asking for and been successful with for the past couple of years. And that includes $2 million for the National Lupus Training, Outreach, and Clinical Trial Program for the Office of Minority Health to work on. And then there was, of course, $49 billion, which we all ask for the National Institute of Health. And these research initiatives are where we're going to find the keys to lupus and many other diseases. And of course, you know, we had many other asks, which included the co-sponsor of the Safe Step Act for medications, which many of us, including myself, have been affected by. Also, we asked for support and co-sponsor for help with co-pays. There's an act called HR 5801. And then we want to work on Medicare Part D, the out-of-pocket cap. These things are all put financial burdens on lupus patients, and we're trying to get to the bottom of it and find solutions to them. So we hear you, and the best way to do this is with our legislators. Coming up, we started some in-person support groups again, and it could be time for you if you feel comfortable coming out. The groups aren't big in size. You can sit further apart if you want a social distance, and if you want to wear a mask, go ahead and do so. So all the support groups informations are online, so I hope you participate in one of them. It's so valuable to have peer-to-peer support. I know I've lived this for decades. Donor dollars are so down, it's painful. We're blessed here at the chapter that we've got some pharmaceuticals that are supporting us, but we need your help. We're doing terrible at donor dollars. So there is a golf outing coming up, so if you know anybody who enjoys golf and wants to play large, it's at Barrington on September 8th. You can go to the website, find out information. You can put it in your email and send it to your friends who golf. Remember, people give to people who ask. Also, Facebook fundraising is like half. Where did it go? I don't know. But for all of you that celebrate on Facebook with us and share with your friends, usually we do about 22,000, and it's half of that. I know many of you are challenged, but try to do what you can. The walk has been a challenge for us for many, many reasons. The venues, the cost. You know, we want to meet in person because we know a lot of you really have a desire to be with each other and show that energy, but we want to make sure it's safe too. We are looking at a spot downtown. We almost have it tied up, but it is slated for September 24th, whether in person or virtual. Lots of good stuff going on in our newsletter. So excited about an educational program that we're doing a rush to get done. And it's working with 4 of our major hospitals in their pediatric divisions. Some of you may know, or maybe not, I was a childhood lupus patient. I was in the 9th grade. And of course, I wasn't diagnosed until I was 27. But there's not much out there for children with lupus or young pediatric switching over to adult practices care. So we're going to do a 4-part series in August. Pay attention. If you know anybody with lupus that have children with lupus, this is a must-see. All right. All this good stuff is in the newsletter. Want to be on my podcast? I'd love to have you come to my lupus living room. But for now, COVID's on the rise, so wash your hands, stay out of crowds, wear that mask when you can. Talk to your doctor about your booster. All right, we're here at the Lupus Foundation, Greater Ohio Chapter. If you need us, we're a phone call away at 1-888-NO-LUPUS, or of course visit our website with all kinds of up-to-date information at www.lupusgreaterohio.org. Be safe out there.